What's your ulam? It's menudo.
Menudo.
Menudo. Put it here now. Oh, I'm gonna eat veggie, ah. And what's this? It's a
Cake.
cake, menudo, and what's your juice? What's that? It's a
Buko
buko juice. Eat the veggie.
Okay.
Walang veggie. Eat the veggie. Veggie muna.
Ready.
Careful. Yeah, very good. Careful. May laman pa yung bibig eh.
Nakatiyo.
Ayun yung ano, spoon.
What?
Yung spoon. Santo ka. Di marunong mabit ang spoon yung part yun. Santok na. Gusto mo na yung rice mo.
I'm gonna be the sun.
Ano?
Like in my roses. Like in my
Rice. Lagyan mo ng rice.
Nahi.
Bakit pinapakita yung laman ng bibig? Ganun ba yun? Ganun ba yun?
Okay.
Don't talk when your mouth is full. Close your mouth when chewing. Close your mouth when chewing. Close your mouth. Yan, ganyan. Ay! Uno ka na ng juice. Tapos may water pa. Nasaan ang water mo? Ito pala.
No. Baba.
Ubusin mo na yung rice mo. Ubusin mo na yan. Konti na lang yan.
Ano yan?
Ubusin mo na yan. Bilis.
After this, hanapan pan.
Rice.
I'm done.
You're done?
Nope.
O, done na rin yung cake.
No. Last one.
Ito na, ito na.
Okay. Put it back.
No. Last na yan, ah. Last na yan. Okay. Minom na maraming water. Minom ng juice. Ubusin mo yung juice mo. Bye-bye. Bye na.